The mobile music streaming industry has seen rapid growth in recent years. By 2023, the market reached a value of $23 billion and is expected to grow further with a compound annual growth rate of 17% until 2030. Platforms like Spotify, with over 500 million monthly active users, demonstrate a shift from traditional music listening methods to online streaming services. The demand for simple and efficient music access solutions remains high. Spotify's success can be attributed to several key factors. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and song selection from a vast database. The use of algorithms to create personalized playlists keeps users engaged. Spotify offers both free and paid options, attracting a wide range of users. Additionally, Spotify has strong relationships with record labels and artists, providing a platform for both new and established musicians. The popularity of digital music consumption has created a favorable environment for music streaming startups. In the United States, more than 3/4 of music sales occur through streaming. The integration of podcasts, video content, and social media features into music platforms is becoming increasingly popular. As competition among major players intensifies, innovative features and user engagement strategies are crucial for success. Creating a website like Spotify involves several key steps. First, obtain music licenses to ensure legal compliance. Next, design an intuitive user interface and develop a scalable back-end system to handle streaming and user data efficiently. Focus on delivering a seamless user experience with features such as high-quality audio streaming, personalized playlists, and offline listening capabilities. A clear vision is essential for creating a successful music streaming platform. Understand the key features that make Spotify successful and plan how to incorporate them into your site. Identify your target audience by considering factors such as age, music preferences, and geographic location. Define your unique selling proposition, USP, to differentiate your platform from competitors. Decide on the genre or type of music you want to feature. Addressing legal considerations is crucial when building a Spotify clone. Ensure compliance with intellectual property rights and licensing agreements. Understand the different types of music licenses, such as mechanical licenses, public performance licenses, and synchronization licenses. Obtain licenses from major labels by negotiating terms, joining licensing organizations, and building relationships with music industry players. Consult a music lawyer and create clear user agreements. Integrate essential features and functionalities to deliver a seamless music streaming experience. Simplify user registration and profiles, offer high-quality audio streaming, and enable users to create and share playlists. Implement robust music discovery tools and personalized recommendations. Allow offline listening capabilities and incorporate social sharing and interaction features. Consider integrating live streaming or podcast capabilities to attract a broader audience. Building a Spotify-like website requires a solid technical foundation. Choose the right tech stack, including front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and back-end frameworks like Node.js, Django, or Ruby on Rails. Select a suitable database management system, such as MySQL or MongoDB. Use cloud storage solutions like Amazon S3 or Google Cloud Storage for music files. Implement streaming protocols and content delivery networks, CDNs, to ensure high-quality streaming. In the competitive music streaming landscape, UI and UX design are critical. A well-designed UI creates an attractive and intuitive layout that engages users and enhances navigation. Focus.